Hey everybody, we're down here at ATF, Automatic Transmission Factory. We're picking up the BADDGT. Jason just put a new FuelTech wiring harness in it and taking it back to the house so we can start putting it together and getting it ready. So we'll keep you posted. Lift settling.
Progress.
Hey everybody, we're back working on the BADDGT. It's got a new engine from MPR. We're doing a lot of work to the car. We've changed the car over to FuelTech. ATF, Jason ATF did a really nice job setting the car up with a new harness. Now we got to rip the car apart, pull everything out, take everything apart, and put it back together slowly but surely, attention to detail. With this whole new harness and stuff, everything's changed. We had to reroute the fire extinguisher equipment. We're building a new fuel tank. We're making a lot of changes on the car, which is going to be a lot easier to work on in the long run. But for now, it's going to create a lot of work. But it looks pretty rough right now. The car's dirty, it's dusty. I just want to give you a heads up that we're getting ready to start. You know, we got Lucas Oil, we got FuelTech, we got Richard Rollins at Fast and Loud Gas Monkey Garage, and you know, basically, I'll show you what we're doing. It's all this is coming out, everything. We got a whole new harness for the car. If you look inside, you can see what a mess we have. All this has got to be cleaned up, completely gone through. It looks really discouraging. We changed all the relay system out. The car's got a mechanical fuel pump now, and we've got to pressure check the intercooler. We got new turbos. There's a lot of stuff that's been done to the car that you can't really see. right now it looks like it's been sitting on the bottom of the ocean for 6 months. And living in Florida, even when it's not in the water, it's almost the case. It's so humid. But we're pretty excited. It's going to be a long, hot summer working on this bad boy. But we're hoping to get it ready to go dyno it on a hub dyno at the FuelTech, at the end of summer, early fall. And that's going to be a real important milestone for us, because we're going to be able to do something. Normally we have to tune the car on the runway at 250, 260 miles an hour with a guy on a laptop. It's not real safe. You do a lot of test passes at that speed, you increase your chances for problems, because it's hard to dyno this car on a regular dyno. You can't get into 5th and 6th gear because the dynos, none of them really go fast enough. We have found one now that goes to 300 miles an hour. So a lot of big plans. Still going to be a street car. The car's still going to be driven around town. We're still going to have a lot of fun with it. AC, license tag, insurance, and a lot of work ahead of us. A lot of work. But anyway, we want to thank everybody for hanging with us for all these years. And the BADDGT's coming back, and I believe we're going to have a pretty big number to talk about come the end of 2020 if everything goes well. I think we're going to throw down a blistering number. And I think you guys will be real happy with that. So anyway, just a quick heads up for everybody that the BADDGT is coming completely apart and going to go completely back together like a giant Lego. Repaint everything. Probably going to rewrap the car. This wrap's been beat up pretty bad, but daggone it, it's going to be a fun project. So we got some good guys working on it, and we'll keep you in touch. Thank you.